Hey there, money makers. Are you ready to unlock the secrets to financial success? Well, you're in luck because today, I'm going to reveal 10 incredible assets that will set you on the path to earning big bucks. So, buckle up and get ready for this roller coaster ride to financial freedom. Asset 1. Real estate. As they say, location, location, location. Investing in properties can generate a steady stream of passive income, making it an excellent asset to consider. Asset 2. Stocks and bonds. The stock market can be your ticket to substantial financial gains. By investing wisely in carefully chosen stocks and bonds, you can watch your money grow over time. Asset 3. Online businesses. With the digital age in full swing, running your own online business can be incredibly lucrative. From e-commerce to blogging, the possibilities are endless. If you are new to the channel, then click on subscribe button and hit the notification bell for regular updates. Asset 4. Intellectual property. Have a great idea or invention? Protecting and selling your intellectual property can earn you significant royalties, creating an ongoing source of income. Asset 5. Art and collectibles. Believe it or not, investing in art and collectibles can be an excellent way to grow your wealth. Who knows, that old comic book sitting in your attic could be worth a small fortune. Asset 6. Cryptocurrency. The rise of digital currencies has created numerous opportunities for savvy investors. Cryptocurrencies' potentially high returns have put it in the spotlight as a modern-day asset worth exploring. Asset 7. Rental properties. Owning rental properties allows you to earn passive income while tenants pay off your mortgage. This asset can be a game changer for long-term wealth building. Asset 8. Peer-to-peer lending. Cutting out traditional banks, peer-to-peer lending platforms provide an opportunity to lend money directly to individuals or small businesses, generating interest income. Asset 9. Royalties. Are you a talented musician, writer, or artist? Earning royalties from your creative endeavors is an asset that keeps on giving, even long after your initial work is completed. Asset 10. Education and skills. Last but not least, investing in yourself through education and acquiring valuable skills is an asset that no one can take away. Never underestimate the power of continuously learning and expanding your knowledge. And there you have it, folks, 10 assets that can turn your financial dreams into reality. Remember, investing in these assets requires research, strategy, and a long-term mindset. But with the right mix of determination and smart choices, you'll be well on your way to creating an income-generating empire. So, what are you waiting for? Start building your assets today and watch your bank account soar to new heights.